Hello and welcome back to another quick tutorial with your instructional coach, Leslie Johnson. So today we're going to talk about the Classwork tab. Now, I always ask my students to use the Classwork tab and kind of just ignore the stream. The stream is where I put announcements and things that I kind of want them to know. They should be getting emails about that. Your students may not know they have an email, so they might need to be trained to look at the stream too. But when we go to the Classwork page, when we click on that tab, this is where all of our information is going to be organized. So let's go ahead and look at a different class. Like here I have my Google Classroom tips and tricks class. When I go to the Classwork page, all of my topics are organized. So I had these assignments roll out week by week by week. So the students got them on a Monday and they were expected to turn them in by Friday, soft deadline. Like this was just for professional development. So if I was just starting this class, I would click on week 1 and start going through the navigate portion and learn how to do that. If I wanted to review a topic, let's say I'm in week 6, I'm thinking outside the box, I'm talking about respond to feedback topic, and I think, oh, how does that relate to assignments? Okay, so I can click on assignments and start reviewing that information if I need to. So that's really the benefit of using the Classwork page. It will organize those resources for you. All right, if you have any other questions, comments, or suggestions, please let me know. Thanks for watching.